Yesterday, 4 different lawsuits filed in 4 different states by 4 different individuals, all represented by the same pro-Trump lawyer, were all withdrawn shortly before they were supposed to go in front of the judge. We're talking about lawsuits in Georgia, Wisconsin, Michigan, and Pennsylvania. All of them, again, filed by individual citizens alleging some kind of voting irregularity that benefited Biden and harmed Trump, all brought by the same law firm of James Bopp Jr. And then, right before all of these were supposed to go in front of the judge, they were all withdrawn. No more case. We're not doing this. We're not going to do it. We're not going to do it. We're not going to do it. Now, Mr. Bopp Jr., the lawyer, sorry, that's a funny name. I'm going to laugh at it. Mr. Bopp Jr. would not tell the press why all of these lawsuits were immediately withdrawn. He said, because of my attorney-client privilege and because I do not telegraph my next moves, I cannot comment. So it's a mystery. We don't know why all these lawsuits suddenly brought by the same pro-Trump lawyer were all suddenly withdrawn. But I'm going to go ahead and speculate a little bit because I think we all know exactly why these cases were withdrawn. None of them had any evidence. None of them were based in reality. All of them were based in some kind of ridiculous right-wing fantasy that somehow Donald Trump might actually be able to pull off some kind of election victory. Well, guess what, Republicans? It's not going to happen. It was never going to happen. Once we got those results in, it was over. There is nothing you can do. You can continue to file these frivolous lawsuits, but I can promise you it's only going to rain hell upon the lawyers who are knowingly filing these fraudulent lawsuits. That's also against the law, by the way. You can't do that. If you issue a sworn affidavit, by the way, that you know is fraudulent, you can also get in a lot of legal trouble for that too. All of you pro-Trump poll watchers coming forward with these lawsuits only to retract them at the last minute. You can't just do that. You will all eventually have to pay a price for this. Now, the price that the people filing the affidavits for or filing the lawsuits is not going to be as steep as, say, the price the lawyers are going to pay, because a lot of them could end up losing their licenses over this. Is it worth it? Is it worth having to pay heavy fines? Is it worth risking jail time for filing fraudulent lawsuits just to maybe get Donald Trump a couple more votes in a state that he has no chance of winning, even if these lawsuits are successful? Because that's the thing a lot of people don't understand. Most of these lawsuits in these states are not even seeking to disqualify enough ballots to give Donald Trump a victory in the state. So even if they were all successful, Biden still emerges as the electoral victor. Literally nothing these lawsuits can do would change that, even if every one of them won. I want people to understand that. And you understand that by looking into them and seeing what they're actually challenging. Too few people are doing that now, and the media is not even doing that. But that's the way it is. These lawsuits have no chance of surviving, and again, even if they did, it wouldn't change the results of the election. Biden won, Trump lost, get over it, and put all your dirty little tricks away, Republican lawyers and Republican operatives, because I can promise you, it's not going to end well for you.